We have someone here, Divine Collective, a trash talker, very low vibrational energy that I'm picking up on in this reading. We're also picking up on an expert witness, a person who possesses special knowledge or skill in a particular study here. Still getting this coven of witches that I continue to pick up on, Divine Collective. There's a coven of witches. I wanted to say witness, okay? So there's an expert witness here and a trash talker, Divine Collective. Public recognition, do not refuse new formats, Spirit says. You'll be moving into a new home soon, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on a small financial loss here, but nothing that can't be overcome. The truth has been revealed, discovering the truth behind the secret. 2222 is of significance. The moon is in the reverse here, someone is being exposed. Skinwalkers, a type of harmful practitioner who can shapeshift. This is a skinwalker, possibly a practitioner who can shapeshift, Divine Collective. The moon is in the reverse. I'm getting dark magic and a shapeshifter, a skinwalker, a dark practitioner. Someone is being questioned here. We have an expert witness as well. The details, I heard these are the details. The inside scoop is of significance. The Emperor is in the reverse, distorted authority, poor leadership. Someone here just uses others for sex, Spirit is telling me. This is a time of completion. Someone is showing up as still very immature, still energetically holding on to the past here, still very immature. Spirit says you will shed your fears, becoming less thin-skinned and more flexible in the way that you think, Divine Collective. This cycle is closing. I feel like a lot of you felt trapped in this cycle, but it is now closing, okay? And there's security here, stability in the energy, Divine Collective. Do not ignore the red flags. You are a master alchemist, I'm hearing. Okay, you have an empress. You have an emperor in the reverse here, and you have an emperor in the upright here. Okay? Someone is sleeping with a married man or a married woman, Spirit is exposing. Focus your energy like a beam of light toward what matters the most, I'm hearing. Someone is in a deep sense of regret for sleeping with a married man, a married woman here. I'm getting bars and clubs, the nightlife being of significance, partying, Divine Collective. Someone is in regret, a deep sense of regret. I'm picking up on 3:26 on the clock. They mistook your kindness for weakness. Someone here is afraid to be alone, so they're always in toxic relationships, Spirit says. They're afraid to be alone. I'm picking up on a business partnership, and what's wild is I sat this right on top of the Emperor in the upright, Divine Collective. So we have a business partnership for a lot of you, built on... I'm not even sure where the video cut off. However, I believe I was saying that I was picking up on like strange obstacles. A lot of you feeling like you've had to go through some very strange things in order to overcome, in order to reach your goals. And I feel, here's the good news, I feel like these chapters are being closed and you've overcome these strange obstacles, Divine Collective, and so many of you have reached your goal here. That is what I'm getting in this reading. The full moon is of significance. I'm getting sweet treats, zebra cakes. I'm getting zebra cakes, Divine Collective. Maybe you like zebra cakes. Spirit says you did all you could, Divine Collective. You gave someone a safe place to open up, but they didn't want it. All right, that's this Emperor from the past here, a past lifetime, an ex of yours. You gave this person a safe place to open up and they didn't want it, okay? So I do feel like you're moving forward here. You're moving forward towards your career, stability. I do get that there's opportunities headed your way. Someone that wants to go into business with you here, Divine Collective. They see you as very abundant, but here's the thing. They're not only coming towards you because they see you as abundant, this person too is abundant. So they don't need anything from you. They can only add to you, Divine Collective. That's what I'm getting. Spirit says your life may take some twists and turns, but you will find happiness. The reason that someone here keeps attacking you, Divine Collective, because this person knows that they've hung themselves and they're afraid of judgment. That is what I'm hearing. An expanded spiritual base. That tells me that when you and this person come together, if you make the decision to go into business with someone here, Divine Collective, that together, it's going to be big. You're going to do something really big together. I'm getting an extended spiritual base, meaning whoever this is, their people coming towards you, your people coming towards them, and just kind of blending in together here, Divine Collective. It's very abundant. Bringing together two worlds, I hear. Bringing together two worlds. Someone is losing sense of who they are, Divine Collective. We're getting the High Priestess. You are building an empire, Spirit says. You are building an empire, the High Priestess. There may be a difficult decision here that has to be made. I know I picked up on that earlier. Something about a difficult decision. Spirit says keep going, face fear head on, Divine Collective. You do have a divine union coming in, okay? Congratulations, Divine Collective. And whoever this is that refused to energetically leave you alone, Divine Collective, I heard destruction. Destruction. Yeah, I heard destruction, and then when I split the cards, this is what I see in Divine Collective. Destruction unfolding in their lives, okay? Peace, love, and light.